Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit your notification button. If you like the thing, go ahead and subscribe and click your notification button. Country girl, country boss, undocumented, silent, nuclear Rasta man, Trini boss, Trinidad boss, garage boss, West 306, big up yourself, JA man. Yo, me have so much people for big up. Me say undocumented, big up yourself, sir. Alright, the people them in Guyana, Barbados, St. Kitts, Meanest, West, Trinidad and Tobago. We can't forget Trinidad and Tobago. Like this, I'm a second birthplace, man, I lie. For real. But anyways, we are gonna move on. Now, I did a video on Shorto, the boy there on the left. A prison him in, I know. Him they are prisoner in Trinidad. When you see how I'm dressed in a prison, you see the video right here, so it will show when him just did go and him get catch with the Sandman slapware. Everything up on the channel, you know. The Sandman there, when you can't search it, him there Shorto. You understand? Him come from Rasta City, a Rasta City gang them in run with. You see what I say? But you see that youth here? I want dangerous boy, a prison him there with all of them gold there. And I'm gonna tell you. Alright. I'm telling you something. You can't keep it no more. Then there are the two prison guards will get fling away. You see what I say? And then they are the workhouse with a boy there. Let's move on. As you know, or who don't know, I do a video upon them two water there. Cause they get fling away at the workhouse. You understand? And the head for which part of them work come out and say, boy, them get intelligence, rate, man and man, I target them. But people did not say, why would that have won? Yo, I'm telling you about Trinidad, you know. Trinidad is a place of rich badness, lots of corruption. You understand? Trinidad is a very rich country, Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad have oil, and the people them not get none of the oil money. It's not like Saudi Arabia or Qatar, where, you know, so every month you get a money. Them have natural gas. Them have asphalt, the natural tar. We make road, we put on road. And here them have again. Them have big bad tourism. Tobago. But the whole of the place are tourism, cause it's an island. Two islands. Very, very rich place. Let's get back into this. So, the head of the workhouse come out and say, boy, them have a deal with this thing and protect the water. But there was something behind it. And I'm going to show you where I go on behind this. Like I said, a Shorto, him around Rasta City crew now, you know. Sandman gone in their workhouse for that. And then the other man them were involved, the whole of them get fling away. You understand? The whole get fling away. You understand? And in brethren, all of them. Him are the only man standing, and him did know Sandman, Flex, and people them when deal with and other people. People, look on the chain them in my wear. Let's move on. Look at the screen in front of you. This is out in publication. It was published, this letter was published by Shorto attorney. Him say, him write, him lawyer letter, and say, him escape a beating in the workhouse from the water then. It say, in a November 29, 2 man coming at the thing in the workhouse from the range. In the Jackson building, the building 13. And them say, Shorto and another man have to run and go lock up. Cause them beat the man them. You understand? So him write him lawyer, and him lawyer make this public. The lawyer send this to the Attorney General in Trinidad. So in the letter, him lawyer say the masked man them are coming at the workhouse are actually water them. You understand? And them hide them identity. You understand? And them a say the inmate them, I say are the water them, are the aggressor, and them constantly are beat them up and do all sorts of things to them in the workhouse. So, in a some kind of way, it makes sense. So that boy I might be behind certain things when it comes to the man them. So I think all of the intelligence are play out now. Cause him in the high security part of the workhouse that are building 13. It's plain as day. In the video right there, so when you watch that I will just go there. Now him there from 2018. Look how him look on the left side. Look how him look. Just look how him look. So when me do the first video, it depends on me can check it out. It shows that him step up in a Rasta city. Him are the new leader. And it look like the man them are work for him on the certain things. You understand? Me now go spill it out. But everything they are playing as there. And like me say, with them money, the water them, enough things are going on. Cause me here say, them blow some grades off a female water. And yeah. Trinidad, like me say, is a place of rich badness. And a Shorto right now around things. In a lot of the places down there, he's one of the top man now. All of the other man then get fling away some kind of way. And that boy have all of the link them and him a program everything from prison. It's plain as day. Now it makes sense. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you like this program and like this video. Cause more of this is coming. Check out the WhatsApp group. We have a Patreon page. We have put some things up in it. We have a membership section. You understand? Thank all of the subscribers then. Thank all of the non-subscribers. But like I said, Shorto, Rasta City, young leader. and him a run things. And yo, we might make it difficult for the man then, the water them. And I guess the water they want make it difficult for them. Yo, my name is Countryman. I'm out.